Former Budget Secretary Emilia Bongcodin was the one who released the fertilizer fund. But even she says President Arroyo was most probably left out of the loop. Tina Panganiban Perez on cue.
Emilia Bongcodin was the budget secretary when the 728 million peso fertilizer fund was released in 2004. She says President Arroyo knew of the agriculture programs, but most probably not kept in the loop about the fund's release. Bongcodin explains the DBM seeks the President's approval only for the release of intelligence, confidential, calamity, and contingent funds.
Alam ng Presidente ang agriculture program. Pero kung ang tanong ay kung alam ba ng Presidente yung 728, ay sa pagkakaalam ko ay hindi. Dahil ang mga releases kasi, hindi naman lahat ng releases ay ina-approve ng Presidente.
The Department of Agriculture Central Office received the 728 million pesos, then sub-allocated the funds to the regional field units. A report by the Commission on Audit says there was a 128 million peso overprice in the purchase of fertilizers, as well as other irregularities, such as funds going to dubious non-governmental organizations, money going to recipients not included in the original list of proponents, and the purchase of substandard fertilizers. Bongcodin says those responsible should be held accountable.
Nawala ang pera, and yet nobody is to blame. Pwede ba yun? Hindi pwede yun. Somebody ought to take the responsibility why the money was wasted.
Malacanang says former Agriculture Undersecretary Jokjok Volante cleared the President of any involvement in the controversy.
It was very clear that Mr. Jokjok Volante has already denied the involvement of the palace or the President for that matter. So, palagi ko, we can't say anything more than that. It's klaro na, nasa kanya na mismo nang galing.
Next week, Volante is expected to appear before the House of Representatives. Tina Panganiban Perez, reporting on Q.